Okay, the story is that this one is not cranking unless you have starter fluid in it. So, first thing I'm going to just take that off. Sit that over there. And we will try it. Well, these are the full ones. Alright, so we got nothing. This thing doesn't have any kind of choke mechanism on it. Okay, now watch the front of the engine lift up when I'm pulling it here. It's got worse problems than that as well. You may not have noticed it, but this thing's not even bolted to the thing. The bolts fell out. Show you up here. Look at that. So it's definitely got worse problems than not cranking. Spark plug is that thing to use. Okay, I went ahead and pulled the red plastic cover off, trying to get where I could find a good place to put the spark plug on some metal. Now I knew the cover was loose anyway. I didn't see a spark. I didn't see no spark. Okay, that's getting no fire at all. Okay, I have a project lawnmower sitting behind my building that I know the spark plug did work in, so I pulled it out to use in this one to test it. Let's see if I can get it on that metal right there, that bolt. It might actually work. Okay, that had a spark at one time anyway. Alright, so I've got the bolt here. I'm going to put some Loctite on it. I'm going to go with that. Alright. Now I've got to get it up in here. Okay, there's the engine. Why is it not? There we go. Come on, get on down. See the gap closing. I can see it. I can see clearly now. It's going to break. I mean, what? That was not the lines, people. Okay, that one is in there. Now, as long as we're in here, might as well get the back ones. So, make sure all sockets and stuff is counted for so you'll know they're not going under it. Now, alright, this old oil needs to be changed, but it's not got gas in it. That's what I was checking. There she is, folks.